Block 3 of our sampler quilt is called the Friendship Star. Now we have worked on this before because we did a charity competition called Be a Star and Make Stars, and people were invited to make all sorts of different sizes. And that gives me an opportunity to talk you through how to rescale and resize your blocks, which we haven't done so far. We're actually making 12-inch blocks, which are divided by 3 across by 3 down. So we've called them all 9 patches. The formula is exactly the same, whatever finished size your block is. So you can see that we've got a really nice, although it's only with a pin, a really nice center join. You would give those a press, they go in each of the corners, and the quilt behind me actually has these in all 4 corners. The quilt behind me has them in it too. This chain is a really lovely thing to actually add and again make a complete quilt from.